Hi everyone, Roman from pickupcloud.io. In this video, we will look more closely at the Oracle's configure, price and quote. So let's go. Discover how Oracle's configure, price, quote CPQ software can revolutionize your sales process. With its cloud-based tools, you can easily streamline product configuration and pricing, resulting in faster quotes, accurate orders, and increased sales. Unlock the potential of CPQ to optimize your sales and drive business growth. Oracle's CPQ software offers a range of cloud-based tools to optimize sales processes. These tools enable sales teams to efficiently manage product configuration and pricing, leading to quicker quote generation, improved order accuracy, and ultimately, increased sales. Leveraging the power of cloud-based tools can transform your sales operations and drive business growth. To fully unleash the power of Oracle's CPQ software, it is crucial to understand the concept of product configuration. With CPQ, you can easily define and configure complex products and their options, ensuring accurate quotes and orders. By leveraging the intuitive interface and customizable rules engine of CPQ, sales teams can streamline their processes and enhance their ability to meet customer needs effectively. One of the key benefits of Oracle's CPQ software is its ability to streamline the sales process. By automating product configuration, pricing, and quoting, CPQ improves accuracy and efficiency, reducing the time it takes for sales teams to generate quotes and close deals. This enables sales representatives to focus on building customer relationships and providing personalized solutions, ultimately driving higher sales and customer satisfaction. Oracle's CPQ software not only optimizes the sales process but also enhances the overall customer experience. By offering accurate and timely quotes, CPQ ensures that customers receive the most relevant information, leading to faster purchasing decisions. Additionally, CPQ enables sales teams to provide personalized solutions and real-time pricing options, creating a seamless and satisfying buying experience for customers. Real-life examples of CPQ implementation showcase the power of Oracle's cloud-based tools in optimizing sales. Companies like ABC Corporation and XYZ Enterprises have experienced significant improvements in quoting accuracy, reduced sales cycle time, and increased customer satisfaction. The seamless integration of CPQ into their sales processes has transformed their businesses, resulting in higher productivity, improved sales performance, and a competitive edge in the market. Integrating CPQ with existing sales systems is crucial for maximizing the benefits of Oracle's cloud-based tools. By seamlessly connecting CPQ with CRM, ERP, and other sales platforms, companies can ensure a smooth and efficient sales process. This integration allows for accurate product configuration, on-the-spot pricing and quoting, and streamlined order management, ultimately leading to increased sales, improved customer satisfaction, and a stronger competitive position in the market. To ensure successful CPQ adoption, companies should follow these best practices. 1. Clearly define sales processes and workflows before implementing CPQ. 2. Train sales teams on how to effectively use the CPQ system. 3. Customize CPQ to align with specific product configurations and pricing rules. 4. Continuously update and maintain product data to ensure accurate quotes. 5. Regularly review and analyze CPQ performance metrics to identify areas for improvement. 6. Foster collaboration between sales, marketing, and IT teams to optimize CPQ functionality. 7. Provide ongoing support and troubleshooting for CPQ users. 8. Stay up to date with industry trends and new CPQ features to maximize the benefits of the system. Implementing a CPQ system can present challenges, such as resistance from sales teams, data integration issues, and complexity in customization. However, by addressing these challenges through effective change management, extensive training, and continuous communication, companies can successfully overcome obstacles and unlock the full potential of their CPQ system to optimize sales and drive revenue growth. Implementing Oracle's CPQ system can revolutionize the sales process, enabling companies to streamline product configuration, pricing, and quoting, despite initial challenges such as resistance and data integration issues. Companies that effectively address these obstacles can harness the power of CPQ to drive revenue growth with continuous improvement, training, and adopting emerging technologies. The future prospects of CPQ are promising, allowing businesses to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving marketplace. See you soon. Bye.